Seeking a midsize SUV that seamlessly blends practicality, comfort, and style? Look no further than the 2025 Kia Sorento, a family-friendly vehicle that redefines the driving experience. Embark on adventures with confidence and style in the 2025 Kia Sorento, a versatile SUV that caters to the needs of modern families. With its refined performance, spacious interior, and long list of features, is the 2025 Kia Sorento the perfect SUV for your next family escapade? In the realm of midsize SUVs, the 2025 Kia Sorento stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of practicality, comfort, and style. Carrying over the strengths of its predecessor, the 2025 Sorento promises to deliver a refined driving experience, a spacious and versatile interior, and a long list of features that cater to modern family needs. Under the hood, the 2025 Sorento offers a choice of two powertrains, a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a more powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. Both engines are paired with an efficient 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear changes and optimal fuel economy. Front-wheel drive comes standard, while all-wheel drive is available for those who venture off the beaten path. The interior of the 2025 Sorento exudes a sense of comfort and refinement, with ample legroom and headroom for passengers in all three rows. The cabin boasts a modern design, featuring high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system with touchscreen display. With seating configurations for up to 7 passengers, the Sorento seamlessly adapts to accommodate growing families or weekend adventures with friends. Starting at an estimated $33,365 for the base LX trim, the 2025 Kia Sorento offers exceptional value for a midsize SUV. With its diverse range of trim levels, each packed with an abundance of features, buyers can find a Sorento that perfectly suits their needs and budget. Whether it's navigating city streets or embarking on road trips, the 2025 Sorento proves to be a capable and versatile companion for modern families.